So guys, this is how from the Motorbike Food Tour. Ito yung Meta Show Art Lightning Exhibition ticket. Thank you. Power Ranger. Oh. Ang ganda. Alam mo yung nakaka-distress siya. Happy anniversary. Happy birthday. Thank you. How? Oh yeah.
Ask them where is the so.
Yeah. So guys, this is how from the Motorbike Food Tour.
Thank you so much, my
Amazing.
friend. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Have a good
This one.
trip. Oh,
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Yeah. Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye bye, my friend.
Bye bye. Alright guys, so nandito tayo sa isang mall, which is may gagawin na naman tayong sa activity guys na nakuha natin syempre sa Klook. Magpe-freshen up muna tayo, ha? Hanap muna tayo ng CR, ng toilet para mag-freshen up. Tapos hanapin natin dito sa mall na to yung isang activity na nakuha natin sa Klook. At ito yung mamaya. Yan. O yan, lamig, ang sarap. Ang sarap. Buksan ko lang yung ticket. Hindi ko kapisado eh. So ito yung Meta Show Art Lightning Exhibition ticket dito sa Tiso Mall. So itong Tiso Mall guys is like 30 minutes away from our accommodation. Tapos parang 23 minutes from sa last stop natin kung saan tayo kumain ng seafood. Kaya sabi ni Kuya, hatid nyo na lang daw ako. Ayan. And again, binigyan ko siya ng tip kasi sabi ko naman sa iyo, nakalibre naman tayo ng ibang attraction dito sa Klook. Pasasalamat na lang din yun kasi maganda yung service niya. Mabait siya. Hindi siya yung talagang nagmamadali. Diba? Tapos ito, nakuha ko siya guys sa Klook. Yung Meta Show nito is parang yung ginawa natin sa SM North EDSA na light show, yung Space and Cube Museum. Plus, may ginawa rin tayong ganito sa Xin Chao. May ginawa rin tayong ganito sa Malaysia. Well, nagustuhan ko lang talaga siya guys. Kaya gusto ko ipakita sa inyo. Okay? So lalagay ko na lang dito guys and kinuha natin yung VIP. So meron kayong options na kumuha ng standard tapos semi-private or VIP. So kinuha natin yung VIP guys and magkaiba yung price niya pag weekdays at saka weekend. And ito guys maganda kasi maraming inclusions dun sa pagka-VIP niya. O sige, sabihin ko na lang. So kasama nito guys, meron tayong access sa 30 immersive art teams, isang mixed reality experience or naka-VR, merong AI photo experience, o diba? May souvenir ceramic mug na ipiprint ata yung picture natin doon, and then may one-time experiencing 360 camera video recording. Diba? So yun lang yung information na kaya kong ibigay, and this is open from 10 AM to 9:15 PM, and this Meta Show exhibition is located on the 4th floor of Tiso Mall Sala, which is ito. 4th floor tayo. Pero hanap muna tayo ng toilet para mag-freshen up. Maghihilamos lang ako and then see you guys sa taas. Alright? Later.
A few moments later.
So tara guys, nakapag-freshen up na tayo. Hanapin na natin yung Meta Show. Meta Show yung pangalan. Dito lang siya sa 4th floor. Okay. And again guys, if you want to book this tour ha, lalagay ko na lang dito yung ticket para magkaroon kayo ng idea. Ito na siya. And then you can book through Klook. You can use my promo code MarkParagasKlook for instant discount up to 3 times use per account. And this is it guys, the Meta Show. Okay. Marami pang pumapasok. Oh. Yes. Marami yan. Ay, pwede rin mag-costume rental oh. Nakakatuwa. Ayan siya guys. Ay. Saan yun? Hello. This one. Nakuha ang sarili ko. Okay. Tara, pasok na tayo. Clock.
One baby ticket?
Just one.
Yes.
Dito tayo. BIPL. So, kuha natin ito lahat. 550. Ayun pala. Dito tayo pala. Hindi tama dito. So, lahat yan meron. Yan. Standard. Special L. VIP.
With the baby ticket and this is a big mug.
Okay.
Yeah, you like this.
After?
Yeah, I put a bell on this. You guys sit there behind the survey.
Okay.
For the you scan WhatsApp QR or yellow. You keep it and you take a photo with a ticket for me.
Okay.
Yeah, and you send me one photo you like.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Let's go. We have the ticket. Thank you. Oh, sorry. May VR pala dito. Ayan, VR experience. It's okay, it's okay. Sorry. Ayan.
For 3 rules.
Oh, okay.
With the MR lessons, you have 20 minutes in freedom to experience MR.
Okay.
When you finish, you come back here and I will have you remove your glasses. You can go to the exhibition with your eyes. Okay.
Power Ranger.
20 minutes and freedom to experience.
Okay. Ang cute. Ang ginagawa nila. Okay. So you can explore the room nang nakaganon for 20 minutes. Tapos, babalik tayo dito para tanggalin. Ganun pa rin. So I have 20 minutes to explore with this.
And 3 rooms.
3 rooms only.
20 minutes and 3 rooms to experience the MR
This
lessons.
one.
Okay.
Tignan nyo sila. Isa to guys, yung VR experience. It's okay. Okay lang po.
Are you okay?
Yeah? Okay.
Wash right. Okay, let's go.
May mga may mga regalo dito. May mga regalo. Taas na ito. Ayan. Hello. Van Gogh. Ganda pala ng VR talaga. May mga nakikita ako ha. Ganda. Parang ano lang, no? Yung sa ano, may hologram. Yes. Ang cute. Okay, pasukin natin to. Oh. The Gate of Love. Oh. Ang daming bulaklak. Sana wala akong matamaan, diba? Pakita ko sa inyo, guys. Oh. Ay, ba't nagmamadali? The Gate of Ocean, okay. Oh. Oh. Loka, ba't may paa dito? Okay. Please take off your VR headset. Okay.
No, it's here. Yeah. Then light this one.
Alright, we are done. Let's go back. I'm good.
Are you finished?
Yeah?
Okay.
Okay.
And you can go to reservation with us.
Oh, thank you. Ayan. Alright, so let's go. Ito yung tumatakbo kanina eh. Muntik na akong matisod sa kanya. Oh! Hindi ko guys alam na ganito pa yung nakikita natin. Nice! Gusto ko ng mga ganito, sabi ko nga sa inyo. Nice! Look. Medyo nakakahil. Ah, aray ko. Nice, ang ganda. Alright. Look. Para ko sa inyo. Yeah. So yung VR nyo kasi guys, hanggang dito lang. Tapos balik na kayo. Okay? Next is... Oh! Ang ganda! Ganda dito. Nice! Ganda! Look! Ang cute! Sabi ko sa inyo guys eh. Amaze na amaze ako dito. Look! Para siyang fireworks. Pakita ko sa inyo. Tignan nyo ha. Diba? Ganda. Nice. May upuan pa dito. This is fun guys, nakakatuwa. So 1, 2, 3, pangatlo pa lang to. And meron 30. Tandaan nyo ha, 30. Sana umabot yung battery natin. Kasi naubos yung battery natin sa ano, food tour. Tara, on to the next. Tsaka aircon dito guys. Push. Oh. Oh. Ang ganda guys. Bakit tuwang-tuwa ako guys sa ganito? Ganito ba pag tumatanda na? Like parang... Hindi ko alam ha. Tapos with background music tayo. Ang ganda. Ay, kaya pa ba today? Light maze. Illusion light maze. Pang-apat. Nice. I would suggest guys, gabi kayo pumunta dito. Hindi siya crowded kasi yung mall na to parang kailangan mo sadyain para makapunta dito. So, ewan ko, bakit ganito? Ang babaw ko. Parang kung may problema kayo sa buhay, alam niyo yung nakaka-distress siya. As in. Okay. Nice. Natry natin ito sa KL. Di ba may ganito rin sa KL? Wala katawa-tao, kaya na-enjoy natin. Kaya takbo-takbo tayo. Okay, on to the next. Okay. So ito naman Diamond Tunnel. And then, dito sa ilalim, tapos dito VIP area na. So bawal dito ibig sabihin yung base sa ticket ninyo. Siyempre, oh. Parang si Scarlet Witch. Scarlet Witch lang ng peg. Di ba? Yung na-crush siya sa kinulong siya ni Doctor Strange. Tapos nakagano siya.
Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love. Even though we're kinda nervous, together we'll be strong.
Alright. Ito naman, Cafe Van Gogh. Diba? Take your time to appreciate this. So, is this the real painting of Van Gogh? Or replica na lang? Nakatuwa. Pwede kayong tumambay dito. Tapos ito. Okay. Parang yung katulad sa Space Museum. Wow! Hello. Ito oh. Oh. Wow. Nakakahilo. Oh my God. Para akong umiikot. Oh my God, nahihilo ako. Umiikot ba tayo? Grabing illusion naman to. Wait lang. Grabe. Yung illusion niya guys, parang tayo umiikot. So, good. Oh. Hindi. Nasa tayo niya, Scarlet Witch. Illusion pala ni Doctor Strange. Mga arte. Hindi tayo papatalo. Grabe. Nahilo ako dun. Sakit. Pinagpawisan ako ng malamig. Nakakatuwa.
Yeah.
Try nyo dito, oh. Nakakahilo. May illusion na something umiikot. Try nyo pag umapa kayo dyan, parang kayo yung umiikot. Diba?
Oh, tayo ko.
Nakakaloka.
Did you try?
Yeah.
No.
Grabing illusion. Love it. Okay, next. Oh, this is nice. Ito guys yung 360. Ayan. Iikot yan. Ganda. Magti-360 siya. Hintayin muna natin. See a process. Bagal nung yung nagti-360. Magra-run ba yun or hindi? Ito guys yung 360 camera. Babalik tayo dyan mamaya. Okay. Okay. Pull. Oh. Nice. Mas malamig dito sa labas. Wait lang. Init. Tara, dito muna tayo. Balik tayo. Cool. Mag-isa lang tayo. 360 background music. Ganda.
A few inches later.
So where are you from?
From the Philippines.
So you show us on Instagram.
Okay.
That's right.
Yeah.
I guess.
Meta show, yes. I like this because I've tried every time that I'll go to like a different country that has this.
Yeah.
I usually go to.
In China, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
There, gas. There one. S. Yeah. There.
Okay.
What's her name?
Cindy.
Cindy.
Yeah. To a short interview you about this meta show.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Wait.
Oh, may instant interview tayo. And
Okay. So may I ask you?
okay.
Yes, about your feeling about meta show.
Yeah, this immersive is really amazing because especially in my country, I don't usually see this kind of immersive activity, and I really like the color combination. Yeah, it feels like you're in a different world. Yeah, it's really amazing, different experience that you can never see in any other places. I like it.
Okay, you say something to Van Gogh to my meta show.
Yeah, for Van Gogh, yeah, I like the artworks, really. I've tried this before in KL, in Kuala Lumpur. Also Van Gogh Art and Gallery, and so amazing artworks.
Because we are going to celebrate our birthday.
Mm.
Yeah, turning one. So
Okay.
may you say something?
For the
to-
Meta Show?
Yeah, meta show birthday. Okay.
Like how many years?
One year.
Oh, first year?
Yeah, just the wish
Ah.
to meta show.
Yeah, for the Meta Show, happy anniversary, happy birthday. 1 year, and I hope more years to celebrate fun and amazing artwork to everyone, not only for the locals but also for all the tourists.
Yes.
It is a must visit, guys. Come here and join us.
Yay, thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Waiting for you.
Oh yeah, I will upload this anytime soon. Thank you, Cindy. Nice meeting you. Oh, pwede na tayong ma-interview. Na-interview pa nga from marketing guys ng Meta Show. Nice meeting you guys. And yeah, sobrang grabing na-appreciate ko, di ba? Sana mapanood ko yon. Hanapin ko sila sa Instagram. Come and join us. Na-interview pa nga. Sanay naman tayo sa mga ganyan.
Oh, nagpapasikat ka sa akin, bossing.
Sige, balik tayo dito. O, there. Where is this one? Oh, outside? Okay. So, dito tayo nanggaling. Kanina. Bumalik lang tayo. Umikot lang. Wala lang. Gusto ko lang enjoy. Ayan. Ay, ipakita ko pala sa inyo. Yung bali point of view na tayo, ha? Wala na akong mukha. Parang itutour ko kayo. Virtual. Dito ulit tayo. So nakakahilong to. Basta alam ko guys, yung na-try natin sa KL, Van Gogh din yun. Ito yung 360 ulit. Oh! Ah, okay. Walang tao. Nakakailan na tayo. Wala na. Kailangan ng assistance. Okay, point of view ulit tayo. Okay, ito. Galing na tayo dito pala. Ito yung 360, guys. Tapos, ito ulit kanina. Push. Ito yung malamig na part. Oh. I dreamt of painting and then I painted my dreams. Oh, nice.
Cảm thức, dấu hiệu vua và rèn lưng trong 4 năm từ 1885 đến 1889 với sự bền đảng tinh nhạc, tự nhân lượng, tự kiếm tiền lý nghị của cuộc sống và nghiên cứu quan sát cảm xúc tinh thần của chính.
Ganda ng painting ni Van Gogh. Nice. Good job. Heart. Okay, so we are done here. Wala, may natutulog na dun. Okay. Ayan. Ito ulit. Ito yung MRT. MRT kanina. May mga tao dito eh. Tara. Ito yung famous niya na artwork, guys. Palagi niya makikita. Everywhere. Ayan. MRT. Ganda ng mga painting. Parang mas na-appreciate ko siya. Pwede kayong umupo dito. Okay, so dito na ulit tayo sa finale, which is in Sunflower. Oh. Ay, sabi ko pala point of view no. wait. Tarin. Oh, diba? Ganda guys ng yellow. Very light. Very colorful. Sunset, sunrise. Lahat. So much fun. Amazing. Okay, so tara. Wait lang ha. Kunin ko lang ulit yung yung aking picture.
A few moments later.
Where to start? This one? Wait. Okay.
I know you're waiting till the morning comes my bed. I just wanna be alone to feel free tonight. Told you so many times, don't wanna look back. Do I break your heart? What I feel inside, it burns me out. Isn't she wonder how I leave you? There's no tears, my love.
Thank you. Okay. Nice. Ganda. O, isang round lang, di ba? Actually, pwede pa. Wait lang. Pwede pa. Marunong ako. Hello guys, if you want to book this activity sa vlog, you can use my promo code MarkTalanis for instant discount up to 3 times use per account. Let's go! Okay, let's go. We are done here. Dito na tayo. Oh, malamig dito. Sarap magano, tumambay.
The entire painting reveals intensity and a sense of foreboding, as if it were a silent suicide note created the sound of the gunshot. In the vast sky and earth, a whirling seems to suddenly rise. Humors feel the last piece under the air and falls of blood.
Nice. Mirror maze tayo. Oh. Pakala sa inyo. Meron ganito sa Enchanted Kingdom. Oh. Ay, ito na sila. Wala. Wala dito. Okay. Ito yung labas, oh. Oh. Bilis lang. Yes. Pwede kayo picture dyan, guys. Moon Crystal Power Makeup 10. Saktong-sakto. Mulawin. Ay, meron pala dito. May train. Meron dito. Ah, okay. Train. Alright. Okay. Oh. Nice. Ganda dito, guys. Ay, ito na yun. Exit. Yellow. Alam niyo yan. Favorite color, yellow. Sunflower. Alam niyo yung 360 doon na camera. Ano siya? Unlimited. I like yellow, guys. Uy, alam nyo, gamit ko na tong yellow na shoes. Kasi naghahanap ako ng New Balance. Wala akong makitang... Meron before, hindi ko lang nabili sa Bangkok. Ngayon parang nanghinayang ako na hindi ko siya binili. Ay, sa Taiwan pala. Next time na lang. Yellow. Let's appreciate this, guys. So, nagustuhan nyo ba? Ako, amazed na amazed ako. Ito na yung exit. Tapos ito, pag gusto natin bumalik dun sa mga pinagdadaanan natin. Ito siya. Habang nandito tayo, pag-usapan natin yung ticket. Sabi dito, yung kasama sa ticket natin. I think na-discuss ko na to. Isang mixed reality experience, which is yung VR. Tapos AI photo experience. I'm not sure kung saan yun. Yung souvenir ceramic mug. Hindi ko mag-get si ate kung bibigyan ko ba siya ng picture from here na na-capture natin tapos ipiprint niya sa mug. And then one time experiencing 360 camera video recording. Pero nakatatlo tayo, di ba? Umalis kasi si kuya. Visual learner kasi ako, guys. Pag may pinipindot-pindot ka, kaya kong matandaan yan. Okay, tapos na tayo. Yeah, so we are done. Sige, balik lang tayo dito. Check natin kung may nakaligtaan tayo. Tapos, wait lang ha. Okay guys, so once na lumabas na kayo, there's no turning back. So if you want to explore more, ikot-ikotin nyo. Konti lang yung tao, yun yung maganda. Konti lang yung tao. Wait, ang ganda. At guys, hindi ako magsasawang i-invite kayo dito. You can book this activity through Klook and you can use my promo code MarkParagasKlook for instant discount up to 3 times use per account. Kunin nyo na yung VIP kasi para ma-explore nyo lahat. And for, I think, the price itself, nasa 1,100 lang. Not bad. You have the mug, you have the 360 para pang reels, 'di ba? Ganda oh. Yes. Grabe yung pagkaano ko sa yellow. Na-enjoy ko siya. Parang iba. Nakakagaan. Yan. Okay, so we are done here. Let's go out na. Tapos check natin kung paano ipapagawa yung mug. Alright? Uy. Yeah. Hello. For the mug.
Yeah, have you seen your phone?
Yeah.
Yes.
Scan here.
Scan here.
Yes. I'll send it to you.
Yes. You send me one photo you like,
Okay.
and you wait me about 30 minutes.
Okay.
Yes. If I finish, I take a message for you. You come back here and you pick up it. Thank you.
30 minutes.
Yes.
Okay.
You can go again. You keep the ticket and the wristband.
Oh,
You
okay.
can go again one more today.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Nice.
Thank
So
you.
while waiting, I can go inside.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Pwede yung magano oh. Ganda. Magkano? 89,000. Oo nga no. Ang cute. Rental. 30 minutes guys yung mug. Tapos pwede daw manolet. Pumasok ulit. Ayan siya. Ito yung itsura niya. Ay, may Taiwanese hot pot. Oh. Ganun naman tayo. Sige, magpalamig lang tayo sa loob. Ayan. Okay.
Try again.
Yeah.
Okay.
While waiting for the mug. Thank you. Thank you. Ayan. Ang bait nila guys. Kasi nakalagay sa ticket, no turning back. Since yung mug is hintay pa natin for 30 minutes. Ayun. Ito yung sinasabi ko yung famous painting guys. Palagi ko yung nakikita sa Google. Ayan. Ay actually kasi kanina, di ba, naka-Verge VR tayo. Gusto ko na itong iuwi. Gusto ko yung iuwi. Yellow. Ito. Sige. Ayan, wala na masyadong tao. Ayan. May mga planets. 543. So, 6:15. Balikan natin. Picture pa sila. Ito yung kanina. Upo muna tayo dito. Medyo malamig naman dito. Wait.
A few minutes later.
Alright guys, so nakaka 30 minutes na tayo. Pero ang sarap magpahinga dito. Na-refresh tayo. Tapos sabi ko, ala, inaantok ako. Guys, 3 yung vlogs na nagawa natin this day. Like from morning, from the food tour, yung motorbike, tapos ito. O diba? Ganun yung sinasabi ko sa inyo guys. Mukha lang na matagal ako sa isang lugar. Kunyari, nag-travel destination ulit tayo. Sobrang dami kong na-upload. Like lumalagpas na mga 10 series, mga ganun, 15. Kasi nga, kaya kong mag-produce ng vlog na 3 per day. So parang good for 3 days agad yun. Pero syempre, I need to make sure na may pahinga din tayo. Kasi katulad ganito guys, buong araw tayo nasa labas. Kailangan ko magpahinga kinabukasan. Or kailangan ko ng mahabang tulog ngayong gabi. Ganun siya. Nakakatuwa. So ngayon, yung last natin is bali... Ang ingay kasi ng mga bata kanina pa. Eh syempre paano may enjoy ng iba, diba? Lalo na ito, nagbe-VR sila. Sinit-sitan yung mga bata, no? Pinatulan. So anyway, going back. So, ang pinaka-last natin, nagawa na natin yung AI photo, doon yun sa labas, yung may parang malaking screen. Tapos yung 360 nagawa natin, and then, ano pa nga ba, yung VR experience nagawa natin. Tapos yung pinaka-last, yung magpiprint, kukuha kayo ng magandang shot guys. Kukuha kayo ng magandang shots, tapos i-scan nyo yung number nila, yung WhatsApp number nila sa labas, para doon yung isa-send yung picture. Eh, sakto, maganda tong ano natin, camera natin. So, kumuha ako ng shots na maganda doon sa parang MRT. And then, sinend ko sa kanila, tapos 30 minutes nila matatapos na mag-print sa mug. So, that's one of our souvenirs dito. Diba? Nakakatawa dito guys. As in. Basta, guys, nung in-interview tayo ng marketing nila si Cindy, ibang-iba kasi ito guys sa Space and Time Museum. Yung Space and Time Museum, like immersive parang attraction. Ito kasi kay Van Gogh na aside from the immersive mga lighting experience, may mga paintings. So, ibang-iba siya talaga. Hindi ko siya mahihintulad doon. Pero, itong ginawa natin dito, Van Gogh din kasi yung experience na, immersive experience natin sa KL. So, almost the same, pero I must say na parang mas bet ko to kasi may puro yellow ako nakikita. Pero maganda rin naman yung sa KL, yung immersive nila. Pero ito, okay lang din. Okay, actually, okay din. And sabi ko nga sa inyo, basta pag nandito kayo, try nyo. Hindi man to yung sinasabi ko na parang, yung alam mo yun, na pumunta ka sa ibang bansa, tapos hindi siya yung masasabi mong kilala yung Vietnam or kilala yung Ho Chi Minh sa attraction na to. Syempre hindi ganun kasi parang ano lang siya, by season lang siguro to, limited, parang limited time. I'm not sure kung palagi na may ganito, pero masasabi kong ganun guys na it is a must try pa rin kahit hindi siya related sa Ho Chi Minh. Ganun. Basta if you are parang you love artworks, mga collections, mga paintings, lighting experience, a must try. So currently, it is 6:12 na. Ayan. So, hindi ko alam kung pwede tayo mag-exit dito sa entrance. Kasi pag dito tayo dumaan, ang haba. O sige, daan tayo dito. Virtual tour na lang. Okay? Mabilisan. Wala akong sasabihin. Wala tayong sasabihin, kundi dire-diretso. Okay? So, start muna tayo ulit dito sa unahan. So, ito yung VR. Ayan. Tapos, wala na akong sasabihin. Wait. Okay, ready? Quiet na ako. Background music.
I was yours, you were mine, but it's time to say goodbye. Didn't know that the honeymoon's just a phase. Now I understand, I learned it firsthand with you. Thought it would last forever. You should have loved me better. Should have loved me better. 'Cause we might still be together before we split.
Sorry. Ay, opo. Sige po.
Till the afternoon. That was when the moon started to become blue. So I surrendered, 'cause I couldn't see things getting better. So in the afternoon, I could do. Now you're in my review. Yeah. Oh. Has it always been this wrong or this bad? But after some time, I realized you and I were in the match. You should have loved me better. Should have loved me better, 'cause we might still be together before we split up. Always believed we would never, till the afternoon, till the afternoon. That was when the moon started to become blue. Oh, so I surrendered.
So guys, skip na natin to kasi galing tayo dito, di ba? Okay? Walang sawa, no? Tapos pare-pareho pa rin ng ano. Uy, walang tao. Pare-pareho lang ng sayaw. Baby, I'm loosening up my buttons, babe. Say your truth you want to me. Don't you wish your girlfriend was hot like me? Oh. Boncha. What? Kakain tayo ng boncha. Boncha. Don't you wish your girlfriend was hot? Oh, wait. Wait lang. Wait lang, baka nakaka-disrespect tayo dito kay Van Gogh. Sorry naman, sorry. Tara. Sabihin niya ate, pabalik-balik ka. Okay. So ito na ulit yung mirror maze. Ayan. Tapos yung pakpak. Tapos yung MRT. Ayan. Okay. Kunin na natin. And syempre, final stop. Ayun. Ay. Ayan. Yes. Okay. We're done. Tada. Hello. Good?
Check.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, look.
I hope you like it.
Oh yeah, I like it. Thank you so much.
Yeah, it was nice.
Yeah, thank you. Bye. Tambit. Bye bye. Yay! We have a souvenir from the Meta show. Yan. Oh, ito siya pala, oh. Sa 4th floor to located, guys, ah. Ang bango dito. Tumapat pa talaga tayo dito sa may Taiwanese hot pot. Oh my god. Alright guys, so that's really it. I hope nagustuhan nyo yung ating Meta show lighting experience. Dito lang yan sa Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam. And if ever naman nandito kayo guys, kung pili ko sa mga District 1 or District 3 kayo mag-i-stay, mga ano lang siya, less than 20 minutes yung travel time. Kasi kailangan nyo talagang anong tawag doon? Yung puntahan talaga, hindi siya kaya ng lakad, feeling ko. Kasi parang nag-iisa siyang mall dito around the area. And nagustuhan ko siya. 5-star to for me. Alam niyo naman, sobrang kahit mga ganitong kulay, lighting, mag-i-inarte pa ba tayo? Once in a lifetime lang naman yung experience natin yung ganito. And syempre, thank you for that wonderful experience and amazing experience ni Van Gogh. Diba? Maganda. Okay, so kung nagustuhan nyo guys, syempre, please like this video and share. Sa mga alam nyo pupunta dito sa Ho Chi Minh anytime soon. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Mark Paragas Official, and hit that notification bell para updated kayo palagi sa mga uploads natin every 7 PM. Okay? And you can also follow me on my other social media account, Facebook, IG, and TikTok. And guys, enjoy life, live life to the fullest, have fun, and enjoy every moment. Because you will never get to this age again. So please do what makes you happy and follow me as we discover the world one step at a time. Good night everyone and see you tomorrow.